Originally, I was actually going to end up using the Pixel phone as a future travel video camera. And now I can't do that. I'll tell you why. Right after this!
This is, you know you listening to Travis.
What up, players? Welcome back! And for all you new people, welcome. My name's Travis and I do tech videos every single week and have a blast doing them. If that sounds like fun to you, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Anything I talk about will be in the description below. But for now, let's get into the video. Over here. So my original video of the Pixel 3, one of the things I mentioned is that I was going to try to make it my everyday phone when I go to California for a trip. And one of the things I really wanted to use it for was video, because the camera on this thing is amazing. It looks great. You get some really good pictures, really good definition, and you know, it does all the way up to 4K. And while it doesn't do 4K 60, I mean, you know, how many people are watching 4K 60 on their phones? But then some people in the comments mentioned that they had heard that the sound quality wasn't great when you're shooting video on this thing. Now, I had only taken pictures up until that point, so I decided to take some videos and well, let me just warn you. What I'm about to show you, you will not be able to unhear. So if you have a Pixel 3 or Pixel 3 XL, although I only can confirm this on Pixel 3, you might not want to watch this next bit. Because it's kind of like when someone shows you something and you can't unsee it, or someone lets you listen to something and you can't unhear it. That's what's going to happen. From now on, whenever you see a video that someone shot on the Pixel 3, you're going to hear this. So I've watched some other videos on YouTube, and yes, the tinny nature of this thing is actually kind of embarrassing. I mean, you're paying top dollar for a flagship phone, and the microphone's not as good as the competitors. I'd even say it's not as good as some of the phones that are like $200 or $300. That's kind of a miss. But what aggravates me more than that is the hiss. There is an audio hiss when this thing is recording, and I can't stop hearing it. Now, originally, I was actually gonna turn the volume up so you could hear the hiss, but you can just straight up hear it. So just put your headphones on and listen to this. Note 9, silent room, nothing going on. Here we go. Pixel 3, same environment. Now, someone in the comments is probably gonna say something like, well, it's just a little hiss, you shouldn't get all upset about it. Well, if they were charging $200, I guess I wouldn't be upset about it. But they want full flagship money. As soon as you start apologizing for a company not hitting the bar, you're gonna get stuff like this. And the more you do it, the more you're gonna get it. It would be different if this was a budget phone. I might give it a pass. But again, this is supposed to be one of the top 3 phones of the year. At least in Google's eyes, it's their flagship phone. This is not a budget phone. You're paying almost $1,000. Why should you get $100 worth of performance? Sure, the video's fine, and yes, you can use an external microphone, but most people aren't gonna do that, and you should not have to do that. So I'm hoping this is just a software bug that can be fixed. It's hard to know. I don't really know what's causing the sound, but it's there, and it needs to be fixed immediately. Because until it is, I can't shoot video on this. I can't unhear that sound. The tinny nature of the microphone's bad enough, but then noise as well. I can't in good conscience use this as a camera when I know the noise is gonna be messed up and I've gotta fix that. I am not about that life. Nothing else I have makes that noise. I don't have to do that for anything, not even my cheap $100 action camera. This is embarrassing. If this video helped you out in any way, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. And if it didn't, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I'm here every single week having a blast. Hope to see you again real soon. Peace and love, peace and love.